and open your ears before this tune disappears. Let me tell you the story of you, of you. I know you better than you think. I wouldn't say that everything bad. I guess you're human just like me, like me. So listen now. You have had so many ups and downs throughout your life. So many challenges and you just still don't know why. And against all the odds you could still make it somehow. Get on your feet and start right. Life is telling you start right. What the hell are you waiting for? Please, time to take on. Jump ahead, doors are open. Come on ahead, don't you miss your chance of breaking free. It's your And our story continues. Let me tell you more good news. Once you have all your questions answered, and maybe now it don't make sense. I know it's hard to understand, but everything will be clear in the end. And so listen now. I know deep inside you're waiting